What's up, guys? How are you today? With this tutorial, we're gonna build this beautiful breath animation app on iOS that you can use it in the real world on your own device also. So it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to show how to create this one. And with, of course, Swift and SwiftUI, it's a native app that you can, if you like the Apple products, iOS or Swift language programming language, you can. I'm certain that you love it. So I will show a quick introduction that to the app that we will gonna build. Okay, we have different senses here: anger, irritation, sadness. And if we start, you can see it's a beautiful animation app. And breathe out, breathe in, and then breathe out and breathe in. Okay, nice. And also here, yeah, beautiful colors and beautiful animation, so astonishing. Okay, sadness also at work also. Okay, so don't wait, and let's hit to the road. Okay, we have a completely new blank project. I just to create, I'm arrived to create it. So we have a new group here in our root folder. We have a new group of model, and in model we have a Swift file name BreatheType. So it's obvious that we're gonna build our BreatheType in here, our struct. So let's hit to the coding, import SwiftUI and struct BreatheType. It's identifiable and hashable also. Okay, nice. And we have a variable of ID, it's type of a string, and UUID string. Okay, nice. And we have a title here of a string, and we have a color here, type of color. Okay, we have a let here, sample types here of type BreatheType. Okay, it's equal to an array, and dot init title would be anger, and the color would be mint, and init title would be irritation, and color would be brown, and again init title would be sadness, and color would be color purple. Okay, nice. So I think I missed something here or not. Fix, no. BreatheType, number of type of, I don't know why is it giving me this one. Struct BreatheType and BreatheType. Let me copy and paste this one. Okay, now it's okay. I missed the column here. Okay, let's head to the next thing that we will do. We have a background and a color here that I added here. We have this beautiful background here, and we have this color here, purple, color of purple. Okay, nice. We create our model. Let's head to the view, and we have a new group here of view, and in that we have a SwiftUI file here of name. Okay, nice. So we have a hello world here. Let me, okay, this is the, we can save it. We have a namespace of name space private var animation, and we have a state private var current type equals to BreatheType, and sample types index 0. Okay, so now we have another state private var show breath view equals to false, and again state private var start animation equals to false, and again at state private var timer count is a type of CG float of 0, and we have at state private var we have a breath action here equals to breath in, and the last one state private var count equals to 0. Okay, so in here we have a z stack. After the z stack we have a background. Let's create our background. Here we have let me add some space here. Add view builder. Okay, we have a function here. Function background, and it returns some view here. Okay, nice. So we have a background here. Okay, let's create our background. It's a geometry reader, and we have a proxy in. Okay, we have a let size equals to proxy dot size, and after that we have an image of background. Nice. We have a resizable and aspect ratio, content mode dot fill, and we have offset of y minus 50. Okay, nice. And after that we have a frame of width size dot width and height of size dot height. Okay, nice. We have dot clipped here, and we have a blur radius. If start animation is equal to 2, it returns 4, else 0, and opaque, and also we have overlay of a z stack, and then we have rectangle here dot fill dot linear gradient, and we have we have a linear gradient of colors. Yeah, this one. We have colors of current type dot color dot opacity equals to 0.9, and start position and clear and clear and clear and clear and clear. We have a start point at the top and end point at the bottom, like that. Okay, nice. After that we have a frame of height equals to size dot height divided by 1.5. And again, we have a frame here with max height, have dot infinity, and alignment dot top. Okay, nice. And after that, also we have another rectangle here, not fill, and we have a starting that we have a linear gradient of colors. We have some colors here, dot clear, dot black, and dot black. Let me okay, dot black. It has 4 black and dot black also. Okay, start point at the top and end point at bottom. And after that, we have a frame that we have a height of size, that's height divided by 1.35, and we have a frame of max height dot infinity and alignment dot bottom. Okay, nice. We have this one, and for this type we have dot ignore safe area. Okay, nice. We have a cool background here. So after the background, we head to the content. That's the magic, I think. Work there. Okay, let me see. Okay. We have add view builder, func content web, and return some view. Okay, and after the background we also have a content here. Okay, content. Okay, so in the content we have a VS stack, and after that VS stack we have H stack. Let me close this one. Okay, nice. We have H stack, and in that we have text of breath and dot font dot large title and font weight dot bold dot semi bold and dot foreground color dot white. Nice. And we have a frame of width max width dot infinity and alignment dot. Okay, let's see, we have a breath here, and after that we have a button. We do nothing here. We have a label here, that image system name sweetheart dot font dot title 2 and dot foreground color dot white also dot frame width is equal to 42 and height also equals to 42. Okay, and the background it equals to a rounded rectangle of corner radius of 10 and style dot continuous, and after that we have dot fill dot ultra thin material. Okay, nice here. So in the HS tag we have padding here, and after that we have dot opacity if show birth view 0 as well. Nice. After that we have a geometry reader, we have a proxy in. Okay, so again we have a let size proxy dot size. Okay, we have a VS tag here, and here we have a breath view that we have to build it. Okay, let me see, we have here assign view builder func breath view. We give it a size of CG size, type of CG size, and return us some view here. Okay, here we have a Z stack, and in this Z stack we have for each. Let me add it to here, and then we can create it. Okay, we have a breath view, we have size of size. Okay, we have a Z stack here, and let me see what we have. A for each, we have 1 till 8, and ID self. Okay, here we have index in. Okay, we have here circle dot fill and current type. The field we have current type dot color dot opacity 0.5. Okay, nice. A frame width 150 and height of 150 also, and we have offset for X. Start animation. If start animation is true, it equals to 0, then 75. Okay, and that rotation effect, we have that init degrees, we have double here, we take index here, and we multiply by 45. Okay, nice. We have a rotation effect, that init degrees. If we have a start animation, we have -45, then else we have 0. Okay, nice. After the Z stack, we have the scale effect. If we have start animation equals to 2 equals to 0.8, else is equal to 1, and we have overlay. And here we have a text, and we have a string manipulation. Count equals to 0, then 1, else count. Okay, nice. And after that, we have a font of the title. Yeah, and we have a font weight that's bold, and foreground color that's white, and animation that is in, out, and value equals to count. Okay, and opacity, if show breath view is true, it returns 1, and else it returns 0. And after the overlay, we have a frame of height equals to size dot width -40. Okay, let me see where is. Okay, that's bold here, that's bold. And again, we have another problem, I think. Oh, this is font weight. Okay, nice. So, this is for our content. We have a breath view here. Okay, after the breath view, we have a text, we have a breath to reduce, and dot font dot title 3, dot foreground color dot white, and opacity. If show breath view is 0, then else Okay, after that we have a scroll wheel. Dot horizontal and show indicators equals to false. Okay, in the scroll wheel we have h stack, spacing 12, and in that you have a for each here of sample types, and in that you have a type in. So we have a text here of type title, and we have a foreground color current type dot id equals to type id, then it's black, else it's white. Okay, and we have a padding of vertical here of 10 and a padding of horizontal here of 15, and we have a background here that in the background we have a z stack. Okay, nice. And in this z stack, if current type dot id equals to type dot id, then we have a rounded rectangle with corner radius of 10 and style dot continuous yes, dot fill white. Okay, we have syntax error. And that match geometry effect, idea of tap and animation. So let's see, and else we have a rounded rectangle of current. Let me see why it's not working. Current radius is not that, this corner radius 10. Rounded rectangular corner radius, yeah, we have also 10 style dot continuous and dot stroke, we have dot white dot opacity 8.5. So nice here. And after the background, for the background we have content shape rectangle and dot on tap gesture, we have with animation dot is in out, current type equals to type. Okay, nice. And here we have dot padding and dot padding dot soliding 25. So nice. And here we have dot opacity show breath view 0 and 0. Okay, nice. So I hope you don't get tired or bored. Just go along with me and we will I think in 20 minutes or less we can complete this app, this beautiful app. So be with me and don't be tired. We have a button here. The function is start breathing. Okay, and we don't have a function yet. We have label of text. Okay, so let's get started to build this function. Start breathing. After the ignore, after this one, we have a private func start breathing. Okay, and we have with animation dot interactive spring. We have a response here of 0.6 and dumping fraction 0.7 and blend duration we have 0.7 also. And after that we have a show breath view dot type, and if show breath view is true, we have with animation dot is in out duration 3 dot delay 0.05. we have start animation equals to true, else we have with animation, we have again is in out duration 1.5. we have a start animation equals to false here. Okay, nice. So let me go to this one, and yeah, here we have a label. We have a if show breath view turns finish breath, else we have start. Okay, nice. We have a font weight but semi bold. We have foreground color. If show breath view is true, we have dot white dot opacity 0.75, else we have dot black. And also we have a padding here of dot vertical. We have 15, and we have a frame max width at infinity. Yep. And we have a background. If show breath view, then we have rounded rectangle with corner radius of 12 and start dot continuous. Yeah, and we have a stroke here dot white dot opacity 0.5. okay, nice. And after that we have else of rounded rectangle. We have a corner radius of 12 and start dot continuous, and we have dot fill current type dot color. Okay, nice. And for that button we have, I think, yeah, here we have dot padding. Okay, and here we have dot frame. We have a width, size dot width. We have a height, size dot height, and we have alignment dot button. Okay, nice. And here we have a frame of max height of dot infinity, and here we have alignment, line, let me see, alignment of dot top. Okay, nice. We have background and start breathing. So okay, we have a content. We finish our content. This is so beautiful, by the way. So we finish our main view, main ZStack view, and then we are good to go. We have a text here of breath action. We have a font of not large title, and here we have foreground color dot white, and here we have a frame of max height of dot infinity, and here alignment dot top, and we have a padding dot top, and we have a 50 here. Nice. And opacity, we have dot opacity. We have show breath view. If show breath view is true, is equal to 1, then equals to 0, and we have animation dot is in out duration 1, and we have a value of breath action. So after that we have another animation that is in out duration again 1, and we have also show breath view. For the ZStack we have on receive, and here we don't need these ones. We have a timer dot publish every on dot main and in dot com, and after that we have auto connect here. Okay, nice. Here we have this one in. So we have if show breath view. Here we have if timer count, and okay, if timer count is greater than 3.2, we have timer count equals to 0, and breath action equals to breath out, then we have breath in, else we have breath out, and here we have breath animation dot easy now duration 3 dot delay 0.1, and here we have a start animation dot title, and after that we have a UI impact UI impact feedback generator with a style dot heavy and dot impact accurate. After that we have else timer count was equal to 1.0, and we have a count equals to 3 minus int of timer count, and after that we have else also equals to timer count equals to 0. Okay, nice. So we have a little problem here because here we don't see our alignment right there. See, nope. Let me change these ones. Okay, work great, but have a scroll view. Where is our scroll view here? Okay, we have a scroll view here that's horizontal, spacing 12, and sample types, text, foreground color black white, padding 10, vertical, horizontal 15, background, corner radius 10. Okay, nice. And padding dot leading 25. Okay, nice. So guys, we built the beautiful breath animation app with just a few bunch of lines of codes. So to complete this one, we hit to our content and we added here the home widget. Okay, nice. After that, I hit the run button and we wait until it builds. So hopefully it succeeds to build this one. So we have it right there. We hit to the start. We have a start right away. Breathe out and breathe in. Why it doesn't change here? Let me see, we have something wrong with it. Okay, so something is going wrong here. Let me see. Okay. Breath action, it's equal breath action equal breath in, no, breath out. Timer that publish every on main in common auto connect, and if show breath timer count with breath action with animation should start animation. Okay, not heavy, not temperature else. Okay, nice, we have it right there. And after that, in this one, I think show breath view, the title, start animation true, start animation false. Let me just copy and paste this one here. Okay, let's hit build again. I hope it fixed the problem. Okay, breathe in and then breathe out. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out. This is very beautiful here. Nice animations, nice colors. You see, so functional. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks to watch till the end. If you like it, please share with your friends, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like it. So hope you to see you in the next video that will upload it tomorrow in I think in the afternoon. Yeah, I do my best to upload every day a new tutorial, a new amazing app, a new design, a new UI and a new functionality, and you can discover all the world of programming and coding and stuff and software engineering with me. Yeah, that's all. We built a great app in I think 40 minutes, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.